Starting out with tools can be overwhelming, but Milwaukee's got your back. They're known for quality, durability, and performance, making them a top choice for beginners and pros alike. With over 100 new tools released each year and multiple battery systems to navigate, we've handpicked the 20 coolest Milwaukee tools every beginner should know. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or building your toolkit, these must-haves will give you the edge in any job. Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. When precision and power matter, the Milwaukee M12 brushless rotary tool steps up. Ideal for professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts alike, this tool delivers unmatched performance with the fastest application speed in its class and 30% higher RPM under load. Whether you're cutting, grinding, sanding, or polishing, the 12-speed settings, from 27,500 to 5,000 revolutions per minute, give you complete control. Weighing just 0.8 pounds, it's compact and ergonomically designed for ultimate comfort and control. Plus, the LED light illuminates your workpiece, making it perfect for tight or dark spaces. The steel collet design ensures durability, and the integrated collet wrench allows quick accessory changes, so you're always ready for the next task. Powered by Milwaukee's reliable battery system, this tool is a must-have for beginners looking to tackle any job with confidence and precision. Inspecting hidden areas can be a hassle, but Milwaukee's M12 M-Spectre Flex Inspection Camera is here to change that. With its unique pivot view camera, you get 270 degrees of pivoting control, allowing you to navigate tight spots behind walls or inside equipment effortlessly. This is the only inspection camera with a 9-foot cable, offering extended reach into pipes and air ducts without needing bulky extensions. Plus, the built-in LED is 15 times brighter than the competition, giving you crystal clear visibility in any condition. The wireless LCD display lets you view images up to 15 feet away, providing maximum versatility in cramped spaces. Save time, document issues more efficiently, and tackle inspections with ease. This tool is a game changer for beginners and pros alike, making it a must-have on our list of the coolest Milwaukee tools. Ever find yourself in tight spaces with no room for your bulky drill? Meet Milwaukee's M12 Fuel Installation Drill and Driver, a game changer for any beginner. This 4-in-1 tool comes with 4 interchangeable heads, a 3/8-inch chuck, offset driver, 1/4-inch hex, and right angle, making it perfect for accessing those tricky spots. With 16 different positions and 300 inch-pounds of torque, it's got the power and versatility to handle anything from cabinets to installations. Its slim design and magnetic bit holder make switching heads seamless, saving you trips to the truck and a lot of frustration. Why buy multiple tools when this one does it all? Whether you're just getting started or looking to simplify your toolkit, the M12 Fuel Installation Drill and Driver is a must-have for anyone serious about efficiency and ease. Need precision and speed for your next project? Enter Milwaukee's M12 Green 360-degree 3-plane laser, a must-have tool for beginners looking to step up their game. With 1 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, this laser ensures fast alignment, leveling, and squaring across large spaces, all with just one tool. Its high-intensity green beams offer 4 times better visibility than red lasers, with a range of up to 100 meters using a detector. Plus, the 3-mode pendulum system and 330-degree rotation make getting the perfect angle a breeze, even in tricky spots. Built tough with IP54 water and debris resistance, it can survive drops up to 1 meter. Whether you're hanging shelves or laying out a full room, this laser delivers pro-level accuracy and all-day power with its M12 battery. If you want a tool that makes your project smoother, this one's for you. Looking for a compact yet powerful tool to handle your screw-driving tasks? Check out Milwaukee's M12 cordless 1/4-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver. This little beast packs up to 275 inch-pounds of torque with 18 clutch settings, giving you the precision and power to tackle any job with ease. Its slim grip and lightweight design make it perfect for all-day use without fatigue, while the reversible belt clip ensures it's always within reach. Plus, it's powered by Milwaukee's M12 red lithium batteries for longer runtime and faster recharges. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the hex screwdriver brings incredible versatility. And as part of Milwaukee's M12 system, it's compatible with over 60 tools. Say goodbye to bulky drivers and hello to the perfect balance of power and portability. Want to keep your job site charged and rocking? Milwaukee's Radio Plus charger has you covered. This is the first 12-volt radio that not only pumps out the loudest sound in the M12 lineup, but also charges all your M12 batteries, keeping you powered up and productive all day long. With Bluetooth 4.2, you can sync your device from up to 100 feet away, or tune in to clear AM or FM with the powerful integrated antenna. Lightweight and portable, it features a sleek, durable design with IP54 water and debris resistance. Plus, the hanging handle and keyhole make it easy to keep off the ground and out of harm's way. Get 10 hours of runtime on an M12 CP 2.0 battery and charge up while you crank up your favorite tunes. The M12 Radio Plus charger is your ultimate worksite companion. When it comes to power and performance, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 4.5-inch by 5-inch grinder sets the bar high. This grinder delivers an impressive 11 amps of corded power while remaining completely cordless, making it perfect for tough grinding and cutting tasks. Thanks to the PowerState brushless motor, you'll enjoy 8,500 revolutions per minute for faster material removal, boosting your productivity on the job. Plus, with RedLink Plus intelligence, you get unmatched performance and protection. The electronic clutch and overload protection ensure safety and longevity, while tool-free accessory adjustments mean less downtime. Users rave about how this grinder tackles everything from metal to concrete with ease and efficiency. With up to 135 cuts per charge, it's designed to keep you moving all day long. If you're looking for reliability and power, the M18 angle grinder is a must-have for your toolkit. Need a powerful light that can keep up with your toughest projects? Meet the Milwaukee M12 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. Designed for ultimate portability, this light sets up in just 5 seconds, allowing you to illuminate your workspace quickly and efficiently. With dual power functionality, you can choose between battery operation or plugging in with an extension cord for all-day use. It reaches a height of 5 feet 8 inches and offers 270-degree horizontal and 21-degree vertical adjustments, so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. Producing 1400 lumens of TrueView high-definition light output, it provides a bright, natural white light without the heat of halogen. Built to endure, its impact-resistant lens and reinforced legs are perfect for demanding job site conditions. Illuminate your work with confidence using the M12 Rocket. This is a game changer for any toolbox. Tired of the hassle of manual pumping for your spraying needs? Meet the Milwaukee M18 Switch Tank 4-gallon backpack sprayer. This innovative system features an interchangeable tank design that eliminates the fatigue of manual operation, allowing you to switch between a sprayer, concrete sprayer, and water supply tank with ease. Powered by the M18 battery, it delivers constant, adjustable pressure from 20 to 120 psi with an impressive spray distance of up to 25 feet. You can get up to 12 tanks per charge, making it perfect for a full day's work. The removable tank design prevents cross-contamination, ensuring clean application every time. Whether you're tackling weeds, concrete, or just need to water your garden, the Switch Tank sprayer brings unmatched versatility and efficiency to your toolkit. Say goodbye to pumping and hello to effortless spraying. When you need power and precision on the job site, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 7.25-inch circular saw is a true game changer. This tool generates 15 amps of corded power while cutting faster than any corded saw, making it perfect for carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors. The PowerState brushless motor delivers an impressive 5,800 RPM, ensuring high performance even under load. You'll get up to 750 cuts per charge, so you can keep working without interruptions. Designed with durability in mind, its magnesium guards and shoe withstand tough job site conditions. Plus, the built-in rafter hook offers convenient storage, and the electric brake stops the blade quickly for maximum productivity. If you're looking for a circular saw that combines unmatched power and mobility, the M18 Fuel is the tool you need to elevate your work. Tired of lugging around compressors and generators for your roofing projects? Say hello to the Milwaukee M18 Coil Roofing Nailer. This powerful tool shoots an impressive 6 nails per second, making it perfect for quick repairs and vinyl siding installation. With the ability to drive up to 1,100 nails on a single charge, you can tackle a full day's work without needing to recharge. The attachable vinyl siding tip adds incredible versatility, allowing you to switch from roofing to siding seamlessly. Plus, features like a pivoting belt hook, tool-free depth adjustment, and dry fire lockout enhance both safety and efficiency on the job site. Milwaukee has truly elevated the game with this nailer, making your work faster and more convenient. If you want to boost productivity and simplify your roofing tasks, this tool is a must-have. Limited space and downtime can be major challenges on the job site, but the Milwaukee Dual Bay Simultaneous Supercharger is here to change the game. This innovative charger delivers up to 6 times faster charging, getting your batteries to 80% in just 15 minutes. With the ability to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, you can keep your workflow uninterrupted. The Charge Adapt technology distributes power efficiently, ensuring that you always have a fully charged battery ready to go. Plus, the CoolCycle active cooling system minimizes downtime by keeping your batteries cool during the charging process. With RedLink Intelligence monitoring cell voltage and temperature, this charger optimizes performance and extends battery life. To boost your productivity and reduce downtime, the M18 Dual Bay Supercharger is an essential addition to your toolkit. Need powerful lighting that adapts to your workspace? Check out the Milwaukee M12 and M18 LED lanterns featuring TrueView high-definition lighting. With both 180-degree and 360-degree adjustable beams, you can easily switch from focused task lighting to illuminating an entire room, making them perfect for those dark winter months. Whether you're working under a sink or brightening up a whole area, these lanterns deliver 4 versatile settings to suit any situation. They're rugged too. It can even survive a fall without a scratch. Plus, with USB charging capabilities, you can keep your devices powered on the job site. The heavy-duty design ensures they can withstand tough conditions, while the optimized color temperature provides excellent clarity and reduced glare. For dependable and versatile lighting that can handle any challenge, the Milwaukee LED lanterns are a must-have. For durability and versatility in tool storage, the Milwaukee Packout 15-inch structured tote stands out from the crowd. Made with tear-resistant layered ballistic material, this tote maintains its shape and can carry up to 50 pounds of tools and accessories. The impact-resistant molded base connects seamlessly with other Packout components using integrated locking cleats, making it a crucial part of your storage system. With all-metal hardware, YKK zippers, and a remarkable 39 pockets, it offers unmatched organization for your gear. The padded shoulder strap conveniently stows on the handle, ensuring easy transport and accessibility. The Packout modular storage system lets you customize and build the perfect tool storage solution for your needs. The Packout 15-inch structured tote is designed to meet the demands of any professional or DIY enthusiast. The Milwaukee Random Orbital Polisher is a game-changer for anyone serious about detailing. Right from the first use, it's clear that this tool packs a punch. Available in both 15 and 21mm options, it delivers ample power for heavy correction work, effortlessly handling tough cuts. The M18 model exceeded expectations, making the detailing process smoother and more efficient. Battery life is impressive. You can polish 2 to 3 vehicles in a day without needing to plug in. This is especially beneficial when working on larger SUVs, where mobility is crucial. The consistent power output ensures you won't experience any drop-off during your tasks. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the Milwaukee Random Orbital Polisher delivers performance and reliability that truly elevate the detailing experience. If you're in need of a tool that cuts through anything with ease, the Milwaukee M12 Oscillating Multi-Tool is an absolute powerhouse. With cutting speeds twice as fast as the competition, it handles drywall, grout removal, soft and hardwoods, and even nails like a pro. Its compact size and powerful motor deliver aggressive cuts while reducing fatigue, allowing you to work more efficiently. The tool-free blade change makes swapping blades a breeze, and the integrated LED light ensures precision, even in the darkest corners. With 12 speed settings, this multi-tool is perfect for any job, making it one of the most versatile tools in your kit. Perfect for any job, big or small. Need a tape measure that can withstand the toughest job site conditions? Meet the Milwaukee Stud Tape Measure, the most durable tape in the industry. This powerhouse features EXO 360 rip and wear resistant blade technology, ensuring your blade stays protected and lasts longer, even in harsh environments. With an impressive 17 feet reach and 14 feet standout, you can easily take long measurements all by yourself. The high visibility blade is designed for legibility in any lighting, making it easy to read no matter where you are. Plus, the reinforced impact-resistant body and anti-tear coating on the first 6 inches mean it can handle the roughest conditions without breaking a sweat. If you're serious about accuracy and durability on the job, the Milwaukee Stud Tape Measure is an essential tool you won't want to be without. Ready to change how you store and transport your tools? Meet the Milwaukee Packout XL Toolbox, built to endure the toughest job site conditions. Constructed from impact-resistant polymers with metal-reinforced corners, this toolbox is as tough as they come. With a massive 100-pound weight capacity and an IP65 rated weather seal, your tools and accessories stay protected from rain and debris. The interior organization tray lets you customize your setup for maximum efficiency, while integrated locking cleats allow seamless connection with other Packout components. This modular storage system is not just durable, it's versatile, allowing you to build a storage solution tailored to your needs. If you're serious about staying organized and prepared, the Milwaukee Packout XL Toolbox is a must-have for your toolkit. Need reliable lighting for your job site that saves time and cuts costs? Introducing the Milwaukee Radius Temporary Site Light. Available in both 70 and 130 watts, these lights deliver tailored brightness for any space. The powerhouse 130-watt option is perfect for larger areas with high ceilings. With 2 times more ground coverage than traditional metal halide lights, you'll need fewer fixtures to illuminate your workspace. Installation is a breeze. Set them up straight out of the box using the included cables, and enjoy maintenance-free operation throughout your project. Plus, when the job is done, these lights stack easily for transport, eliminating the need for costly prefabrication on future sites. Save up to 40% in labor costs, cut energy consumption by 80%, and keep your project running smoothly with Milwaukee Radius Temporary Site Lights. When it comes to power and performance, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rear Handle Circular Saw is a game changer for any carpenter or remodeler. This beast generates the same power as a 15-amp corded saw, but cuts faster and delivers up to 570 cuts per charge. With its powerful PowerState brushless motor reaching 5,800 revolutions per minute, you'll slice through 2x4S, 4x4S, and even plywood like butter. No bogging down here. Plus, the electric brake and LED work light make your job easier and safer. Say goodbye to oiling gears and maintenance hassles. This saw is designed for professionals who demand speed and reliability. If you want to boost your productivity and tackle tough jobs with ease, the Milwaukee Rear Handle Circular Saw is your go-to tool. And there you have it, 20 coolest Milwaukee tools for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends and colleagues if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.